Hey guys, so I bet you're wondering what the big deal is here, why I'm making a video just getting in my car. No, I am not practicing my cinematography. Actually, I am making a little surprise run during my lunchtime. I'm going to Best Buy, gonna pick up a little mystery package and hopefully get to do an unboxing for you guys. Gotta look for the order pickup and we'll be ready to go. And that's it. I got the package right here, so we'll do an unboxing as soon as I get home. And here it is, guys. This is the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. You do get a nice barcode on the side to go ahead and download on Google Play or the App Store for the app that will go along with it. Let's get right to the unboxing though. Pick up my trusty knife and slice this baby wide open. All right, let's actually just be careful with it. I don't like to ruin my boxes, so let's tear the plastic, but let's be very careful with that beautiful box. I actually had to use my knife twice because it's got a little piece of tape at the top. So let's go ahead and just pull out all the stuff from the box, make sure it's completely empty. Only 2 things in there, not too bad. Nice box, let's put it here on the corner. So let's start with some of the components. You do get a nice USB type A to USB type C cable for your charging. You do get some owner's manuals on there as well, which we'll go ahead and we'll actually put to the side because I never read those, but if you want to, maybe kill some time. And then you also do get a nice tripod. Now this comes with the combo, that is the one that I got. If you get the Osmo by itself, you will not get this tripod, but we'll go ahead and do a full review on that later on. And let's see, oh, we got one more thing. So we got a little strap, make sure that you don't drop and break your Osmo, that's cool. And then we get a nice little bag. I'm actually really digging this bag, I like it a lot. And I'll just have to fight to get some wrinkles off of it. But let's go ahead and switch over to the main package. Let's get it out of this encasing here and bag here, and let's go ahead and open it up. So this, my friends, is going to be the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Wow, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. It's definitely light in the hands when you pick it up, and I do love how it folds up. Very portable, you can throw it in pretty much any bag. I imagine even throwing it anywhere even without the case, but let's go ahead and take a look here. USB type A, USB type C for charging. You do get the zoom control on the other side. And then you do get the nice thread for the bottom for the tripod. We'll go over the rest of the functionality in a later video. So there it is. All right, that is all. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.